Hello, my name is Samer, and today you'll realize how quick and easy it is for you and your students to create a post in SpacesEDU. From any space or the main feed, click that big blue Create button at the bottom of the page to get started. You'll see a variety of media options because we know that not all students like to show their learning the same way, and teachers want flexible ways to provide content. Do you want to add an audio recording in addition to written text? No problem. You and your students can add up to 10 media artifacts to a single post. Text, audio, video, images, links, or files from your device, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Once the post is created, if you're posting from inside a space, the post will automatically be assigned to that space. And if you're posting from the main feed, you'll be prompted to choose which space the post belongs to. The type of space you're posting in changes how that post behaves. In the class space, when teachers create a post for multiple or all students, it becomes a single shared post. Comments and reactions are shared on that one post. ClassSpace is great for announcements, collaborative activities, or instructional posts. When a student posts to the ClassSpace, if settings are allowed, their classmates can view, react, and provide peer feedback. In the one-to-one space, posts created here are unique to each student, a perfect fit for personal reflection, feedback, or differentiated instruction. Think of it as a template. You can post to all students, but still personalize the post per student. Comments, reactions, curriculum tags, and proficiencies are private and specific to that student's version of the post. This space is especially meaningful when students reflect on their learning and when families engage too. In the group space, posts can be assigned to one, several, or all groups, and each group gets its own copy. Just like in the class space, comments and reactions are shared, but only within the group assigned. Only teachers can post on behalf of one, several, or all students. Add curriculum tags and proficiency levels tying posts to specific standards. This teacher exclusive action will make the post being referenced in the proficiency report. Once your post is ready, click Post. Now, students, families, and co-teachers can engage with the post using comments and reactions. Comments can be typed or media-based, and reactions are a quick way to acknowledge a post. Encourage peer feedback, reflection, or celebration depending on your space and learning goals. That's been your overview of creating a post in SpacesEDU. Now, it's your turn. Create your first post and help students tell the full story of their learning.